Can AI replace teachers in the future? This question is not just a thought experiment, but a pressing reality we're beginning to grapple with in our technologically advancing world. Imagine walking into a classroom where artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just an assistant, but the instructor. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a potential reality as AI continues to make strides in the education sector. From personalized learning programs that adapt to a student's pace to AI tutors that can provide round-the-clock assistance, the influence of AI in education is growing. It promises to revolutionize classrooms, making education more accessible and personalized than ever before. The potential of AI in education is vast, and we're only scratching the surface of what could be possible. Yet amid all these promising developments, an important question lingers. While AI certainly has a role to play, the question remains, can it replace a human teacher? A teacher's role goes far beyond just delivering information. They wear many hats, and each one is vital to the growth and development of their students. Picture the inspiring high school coach pushing students to surpass their limits, instilling in them a sense of discipline and teamwork. Or consider the empathetic elementary school teacher who spots the quiet child struggling to keep up, and takes the time to provide extra help and encouragement. In these roles, teachers are mentors, guides, role models, and sometimes the closest thing to a friend that a student might have at school. It's here that the importance of a teacher's emotional intelligence truly shines. They understand each student's individual needs, strengths, and weaknesses. They're able to adapt their teaching methods to suit each unique learner. While AI can replicate some aspects of teaching, like delivering lectures or grading tests, it lacks the human touch, the emotional connection that is so integral to a teacher's role. AI is not without its merits. In fact, it holds great potential for the future of education. Let's talk about the ways AI is already changing the game. Consider the adaptive learning programs that are currently in use. These programs are not your average digital textbooks. They're advanced platforms that adjust to each learner's pace and style. For example, if a student struggles with algebra, the program identifies the issue and adjusts the content to reinforce those skills. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7 without the high costs usually associated with such individual attention. Now, imagine an AI tutor that can provide instant personalized feedback. It's no longer a figment of the imagination. These AI tutors are already helping students around the world, answering their questions, providing explanations, and even giving them hints when they're stuck. They're not replacing teachers, but are instead enhancing the learning process by providing support when and where it's needed most. AI is also breaking down barriers in education. Thanks to AI, learning is no longer confined to a physical classroom or a set schedule. Students can learn at their own pace, in their own time, and in a way that suits their individual learning style. In essence, AI is democratizing education, making personalized, on-demand learning a reality for everyone. But remember, as powerful as AI is, it's still a tool. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. AI has the potential to be a valuable tool in education, but it is not without its limitations. So, will AI replace teachers in the future? It's the big question that's been looming over our heads, isn't it? We've explored the potential of AI in education, its ability to deliver personalized learning experiences, and how it goes beyond the traditional methods of teaching. But does that mean our venerable teachers will be out of a job? Not quite. The key takeaway here is this. AI has immense potential in reshaping the education sector, but it is not a substitute for the human element that teachers bring. Teachers possess the ability to inspire, to empathize, and to understand the nuances of human behavior, something that AI, at least for now, cannot replicate. AI can certainly assist in education, making learning more engaging and efficient. It can handle administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best, teaching. It can provide data-driven insights to help tailor teaching methods to individual students. But at the end of the day, it is a tool, a means to an end. Now imagine a future where AI and teachers work hand in hand, where technology enhances the human touch rather than replacing it. A future where AI takes care of the mundane, allowing teachers to concentrate on fostering creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The future of education is not a choice between AI and teachers, but rather a collaboration between the two, The goal is not to replace teachers with AI, but to use AI to enhance the learning experience.